Hi guys, in the last tutorial we looked at how to create characters and display them on the screen. So in this tutorial we're looking at how to create awesome effects on the screen. Example, how to ascend from the ground to above. Like when you see 2017, you see that 0 appear from the ground, or when you see Mary, you can see that Y came from below and it comes up, or like the ones that descend from above. Now it's a simple trick like every other trick we've been doing. What is it? Be creative and intuitive. That helps you to create effects. Effects are based on your choices. It's different from the ones you type and the effects already created. All the effects that were created for you to type them and display them were done by humans. Therefore, you are doing it now. How do you do that? It is simple and very cool. I want my A to drop, or I want my A to ascend. That is what we're looking at in this course. Remember, ascend is what we're looking at. We want to ascend on registers A67 to 73. We are not going to use placeholder registers because all effects should be live on the screen. Then we call them, they appear. If you want an effect, it should be live on the screen. But if you want to create numerical or characters, you should use placeholders and keep them somewhere. But if you want to create effects, you create effects on live on the screen. Okay, I want you to get this point and understand it. It's different from creating what you use many times. Effects are used once and you can call them several times. Okay, so I want this to appear on register 67 to 73. Alright, so always remember that this guy, okay, no, we're using this guy. Alright, we're using this guy. So what happened now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I need now is when the viewer is watching, he's going to see A come up from here, and the next he's going to see A coming again, like showing from here, and next time the A will appear. I don't know if this makes sense at all. Let me start afresh. What do we need in this tutorial? Okay, what I just did now is an effect. I want to use it to show something. How this move. This is an effect made by someone. So, what I want in this is what? I want something like this. I want my A to be displayed like this. Come up here. But before that, I want someone to see something like this. The next, he will see bigger. And the next, he's going to see it like this. The next time, he's going to see it coming. Then, he's going to see the last one. But it's going to take 8 steps. Why is it 8 steps? Because we have 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Therefore, you need to occupy this pause first with this. This is the first guy that will appear. So this is the first step, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and the seventh. What it means is that they will be in the same register forever. When this appears, the second one appears immediately. You see, and this guy moves up here. When it comes again, it will keep moving. You'll be looking at this. This is what you want to achieve. So before you animate or you animate any character, you must have the final output. And in the same way is the way you encode them. Very simple. It's not too hard. And you should maintain, be consistent on the registers you use. It should be on the same register. Your effect, this A shouldn't be appearing here, and at the same time I saw it here again. Maybe seeing it here, it will move back again. It shows you're not consistent. So consistency in effects is very good, except you want the animation to move this way, the other way, this way, and then come back, as I just did, moving around and around. Okay, so we ask, how do we code this? It's very simple, very good. There's nothing much in it. This is an effect on how to ascend. the highest thing here is just the same way we just did it. The first guy, put them in the value, the hexadecimal numbers 67 to 73. Then call delay. While you're calling delay, you're asking it to wait so that people can see it coming. Because if someone didn't see it, it just appears an A. So when the second one comes, the same hexadecimal number in the same registers, you can see call delay in each of them. Alright? You can see what I'm just doing. All these are different. So we must have 8 columns. That is these are 8 columns. You can see each of them with a delay so that someone will see it coming. Because if I don't see it coming, then there's no effect or animation. There is no effect or animation. So this is the last guy that comes here. So when the last guy comes, to show that it is the last, you now put your return. Remember I told you in subroutine there must always be a return. So this guy is the guy that returns. Okay? So it's very cool, very awesome. Alright? Try it out and see how it works. This is how you create effects. Remember, this is not 2 lines. In order to make this to be seen, I created this and continue from here. Alright? So you can see this guy showing you that this continues from here. It should rather be down. That is why I put this arrow showing. I put this arrow, not arrow, guys. Yeah, not arrow, it's arrow. Okay, so this arrow here shows that this is under. It keeps moving. So this guy and this arrow shows that this starts from here because it's too many. So in the next tutorial, we see how to descend. This one is ascending from up, from down, it moves up. Okay, so from down it moves up. If you can still remember, this is the effect we just read the code. That is how it works. Ascending on register 67 to 73. Very cool, very awesome. Let's look on how to descend in the next tutorial and see how cool that one looks.